Okay, so here it is. These are all the 14 messages that EST has and everyone that they have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test them all on the speaker.
Attention, attention. An emergency has been reported in this building. Please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairway. Do not use elevators. Repeat, do not use elevators. Attention, attention. An emergency has been reported in this building. Please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairway. Do not use elevators. Repeat, do not use elevators. There has been an emergency reported in the building. Leave the building immediately using marked stairways and exits. Do not use elevators. There has been an emergency reported in the building. Leave the building immediately using marked stairways and exits. Do not use elevators. Attention! Attention! An emergency has been reported.
New messages are coming after the next message. All the brand new ones.
Attention! Attention! An emergency has been reported.
This is the normal voice, the one you usually hear. You rarely hear the hard voice.
Attention, please.
This is the hard voice.
Emergency has been reported in this building. This report is being verified. Please proceed to the corridor outside the nearest fire exit and stand by for further instructions. Do not enter the fire exit. Do not use the elevators. Attention, please. An emergency has been reported in this building. This report is being verified. Please proceed to the corridor outside the nearest fire exit and stand by for further instructions. Do not enter the fire exit. Do not use the elevators. Attention, please. An emergency has been reported. All occupants go to the nearest stairwell exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevators. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention, please. An emergency has been reported. All occupants go to the nearest stairwell exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevators. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention! Attention! An emergency has been reported in the building. Please cease operation and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit. Attention! Attention! An emergency has been reported in the building. Please cease operation and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit. Attention! Attention! An emergency has been reported. All occupants go to the nearest exit and await instructions.
I believe this is the last message. Well, the one after this is the last one.
Do not use elevators. Attention! Attention! An emergency has been reported. All occupants go to the nearest exit and await instructions. Do not use elevators. Repeat, do not use elevators.
Yep, last message. The reason why I was walking back and forth is because that's my watermark, and I don't want anyone getting these messages. Thank you for your cooperation. I also got other tones as well. There were 6 emails, all been exported to a CD, which is going into the fireproof safe. And, yeah, so thank you.